For this procedure, you will need a FlashBox, 4 AA batteries, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a CyberLock fob or web-enabled device. Open the FlashBox and loosen the battery door screw with a small Phillips head screwdriver. Then use the lift tabs to pull the battery door up and then out. Install or replace 4 AA batteries in the battery compartment, being sure to note the proper polarity. Lithium batteries are recommended for cold environments. Insert the alignment tabs on the battery door into their slots before lowering the door back into place and securing the screw.